It's that time of year again. The ice is gone. We are back on the water. I'm on a new body of water for me. I haven't been here before. It's got loads of really nice rock outcroppings. Plan for today is to find one of those that I can set up camp on, cook a great dinner, see what this place has for us to discover. I cannot tell you how excited I am to be back out here. It is so good. I think there's supposed to be a bit of a gorge with like a waterfall through it. I think I'm gonna look for that. But for now, we gotta find home. Nice. It's gonna get cold tonight still. Below freezing. Low 20s, I think, which is so weird because it's so nice out right now. But chilly, chilly. Winter's still hanging on. One breath, ready? Wow, just one breath, that's crazy. What a beautiful place. Well, I've got enough daylight left, so I think I'm gonna go over and try to find that gorge. It's got the waterfall running through it. Sounds pretty interesting. I think it should be worth it. I didn't bring any fishing gear because the water's so cold. I didn't really think it would be any good. But now that I'm here, all I want to do is get a line in the water. Use that later. Water is absolute glass right now. It's beautiful. I think this goose might take my lunch money. It's watching me like a hawk. I don't think that's real. I'm making Hawaiian burgers tonight. I've never made these before, but they're burgers with pineapple and onion and bacon and barbecue sauce. Sounds great. We gotta chop up this onion and we'll be ready to start cooking. Here we go again. Whoa. Ah! Jeez, grommet. Onion, burger, bacon, pineapple, and done. Yum. Wow, that's good. It's so nice right now. It says it's like 40 degrees or even lower, but I don't know. It's felt really nice, especially since the sun came out. Woo. So good. Whoa. What a great day. Today really was good. It was better than I expected in like almost every way. Really cool area. Well, it's getting late. It's definitely getting cold tonight. I'm gonna get this bag warmed up to go to sleep. I'll see you in the morning. Ah! Look at this. Frosty. Holy cow. It is real. It moved. I saw it move. Thought I was a full-on crazy person yesterday talking to a decoy. I'm not a crazy person. I was talking to a goose. that's gonna do it for this one. What a great first time back on the water. So glad to be out here, and I cannot wait for this season. It's my favorite. Anyway, thanks for watching. Appreciate you, and we'll see you in the next one. Here we go again.